I am not in this game to spend as little as possible. I am in this game to fly Qsuites to the Maldives because that's something I would never actually pay money for, but I've done it. So there's no right or wrong. You just need to understand where you fall on that spectrum, and then you have your answer. What about you, Chris? Where are you there?
Yeah, I'm with you right now, and I think it also depends on where you are in life. Because I was just thinking, we have a
Absolutely.
lot of people in our Level Up Facebook group who are retired and they travel full time, and so they try to stretch their points as long as far as they can. And so it's really not feasible to stay at a Waldorf Astoria every night if you're traveling nonstop. So they will stretch their points out and stay at a Hilton Garden Inn. It comes with free breakfast, and that makes sense. But for you and for me, Katie, I'm limited to essentially school vacation times now. So our travel window is much smaller than someone that could be retired or someone that maybe has a little bit more flexibility. So my points can only get used in big chunks and certain times of the year. So right now, yeah, I just went and spent them all in Japan. Flew business class and stayed in luxury hotels. And that's how it made sense for me. But if my schedule changes, like I know it will in the future, maybe my preference will change.
That's actually a great point about people who are retired, and I think that's so important. Is it, your reason for being in the game can change, and it can be on that. You can be on that spectrum, and maybe some trips, like Chris said, his Japan trip, he blew all of his points. But maybe there's another trip that pops up, and it's like, well, we just want to go, and the budget hotel works for that trip. So yeah, there's no right or wrong answer. And I think that's a really important thing to remember in this game because it's easy to get caught up in the Instagram bits
Yeah.
of this game and see these incredible stays in hotels. You don't have to do that every time. You absolutely don't, and you're still playing the game right.